So today we're starting fishing quite late. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon and we're at a new destination. This is called Fishing Lake Žeje and we're gonna try to catch a few carp here. So you can see that there's two lakes and we're gonna go to the far one. So see you in a few minutes once we set up our equipment. We're just about to start baiting up our rod and let me show you something. As you can see, this lake doesn't have too many features except for the bushes on the left side. So because we know that carp aren't usually in the middle of the lake, they like to be near the bank, beneath the trees. We're gonna be casting there, hopefully. So right there, hopefully this will be something good for us. Hopefully we're gonna catch some carp. Unfortunately, what I heard when I arrived here, I talked to a few fishermen. I asked any takes today. They said no, and also they said that it was a competition today. So this means that all the spots are now heavily baited, right? But this can be either a good thing or a bad thing, because this means that the carp are already conjugated on the most common spot, and that is the best spot, so that should be heavily fed. In other words, what this means is we're already expecting carp to be there. Secondly, today in the morning was bad weather, so this is now the first sunshine in the day, and on this lake my experience is that if the weather is not pristine, the carp don't bite. So I'm not expecting that they had much luck today in the morning, so hopefully we're gonna have some luck today in the afternoon. Nevertheless, we're gonna be here about 6 hours and we're gonna see if this means that we're gonna catch some carp. Hopefully we are. One other thing about this lake, here we're not expecting to catch big carp, we're expecting to catch small carp, but the good thing about this lake is they stock it regularly, which means carp are in there. Right, so what we're using as bait, same as always, our peg bait, our matted feeder, our red chili dip, hot krill pellets. Hopefully this is gonna be the receipt of something good, because we know for a fact that the guys that were fishing here earlier did not use this bait. They use mostly corn, so that is why I'm using corn again in my peg bait. So feed the carp what they used to feed the carp, what they like. So we're now ready for the first cast out. Hopefully we're gonna hit our spot. So today we're not fishing far, so it's not going to be a strong throw, light throw, and it should be enough right where we need it. So there's good. And 45 minutes from now we're gonna recast the same as always. Hopefully this is gonna bring us some good results. caught one beautiful carp, and now we're gonna start packing and slowly head home. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.